Hi, I'm Christina Swain with the Swain team of Keller Williams, here today to discuss 8 exterior paint colors that are on trend for 2021. Number 1, warm creamy whites. You heard it first here. Off-white is on trend to be one of the best exterior paint colors. However, to really nail it down, opt for a warm, creamy white. I especially love Swiss Coffee and Sea Pearl by Benjamin Moore. Warm whites pair well with wood and stone accents. Second, a pale gray. Gray is a perfect alternative to beige. Watch though, because you don't want to go too dark. A gray with warm undertones like Repose Gray by Sherwin-Williams is perfect. Number 3, beige. Yes, you thought beige was out, but think again. A neutral beige is hard to beat, and the 2021 beige is a warm and subtle color like accessible beige. Number 4, a pale blue and green as an accent color. Pale blue and green as an accent color have become popular. The color combination can have a calming effect, which blues are famous for. Check out Booth Bay Gray. It's also calming, yet interesting. Despite its name, it's a great green accent color for your home. Number 5, bronze, baby. That's right, bronze. While a metallic color is very hard to recreate, Sherwin-Williams has done a pretty good job with the urban bronze. Consider painting it with actual, consider pairing it with actual metal accents like front porches, French porch lights, or patio furniture. Number 6, a two-tone color combination. Think about it. Two colors that work well together, two complementary colors. Maybe it's one on the top and one on the bottom, or side by side. We're going to see more homes embrace this look. Number 7, wood. I'm seeing a push towards earthy tones and natural elements. Don't get me wrong, paint is a game changer. However, if you stain or add some wood to your home's exterior, that'll definitely give you a great look. If you're thinking about selling and preparing your home by thinking about your curb appeal, feel free to reach out to me for a free 30-minute home saleability assessment where I come out and give you tips and tricks on what to do to get your home ready for the market in 2021. Just give me a call. Until next time, I'm Christina Swain with the Swain team of Keller Williams.